Hi, I'm Lucy and I love the skin that I'm in, but sometimes when I get breakouts or blemishes, I might want a little bit more coverage. So I'm gonna show you a 3-step routine using Nude by Nature's Natural Mineral Cover Blemish Control. Foundation that covers redness, evens out tone whilst purifying blemish-prone skin. So step 1, I start with the Nude by Nature Correct and Even Primer. This primer instantly neutralizes redness caused by inflammation. So I'm just gonna squeeze a small amount onto the back of my hand. Now you'll notice that it's green. That's because green neutralizes red, and I'm just gonna apply this lightly to my skin. Step 2, I like to add a little bit of concealer to cover blemishes. This is the Flawless Concealer. It's a full coverage formula with a satin matte finish, great for covering spots. Another great concealer is the Perfecting Concealer. Still covers up blemishes, but with a more radiant finish. I just apply a small amount with my fingers, or you could use a concealer brush if you prefer, and I just dab it on for a bit of extra coverage. And lastly, step 3, Natural Mineral Cover Blemish Control. This is great for blemish-prone skin because it contains 100% natural salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid clears excess oil and sebum, which can build up, clog pores, and lead to breakouts. Plus, it's talc-free, it's oil-free, and it's made from minerals that don't clog your pores. It helps to calm blemish-prone skin. To apply, dip a mineral powder brush into the mesh sifter, tap off the excess, and you just lightly buff it onto your skin. And as you can see, it really covers redness and gives me a satin radiant finish and an even tone complexion. Plus, it's buildable, so you can keep adding more to get the cover that you want from light to full coverage. With a little bit of blush on my cheeks, volumizing mascara on my lashes, and Moisture Shine lipstick to plump up my lips, I am good to go. A really nice satin radiant finish, and as you can see in the before and afters, it's just instant coverage for the days that you want it. Love!